Did you know that Lego bricks are being used to rebuild and reimagine African history? Forget dusty textbooks, we're diving into the world of Lego City Masterbuilds, exploring how these tiny plastic bricks are helping to tell monumental stories of Black civilizations. This isn't just about building blocks, it's about building bridges to the past and creating a more inclusive future. One artist at the forefront of this movement is Ekow Nimako, a visionary whose creations are challenging perceptions and sparking conversations. He uses Lego bricks, not just as toys, but as tools for cultural expression and historical exploration. Nimako is a Black Lego artist who has gained international recognition for his stunning sculptures. His work often explores themes of identity, history, and futurism, all rendered in the iconic medium of Lego. One of Nimako's most ambitious projects is building Black civilizations. This ongoing series uses Lego bricks to recreate and reimagine different aspects of Black history and culture. These aren't just static models, they are dynamic interpretations of civilizations, empires, and cultural moments. One particularly impressive creation within this series is the Nile 3025C. This nearly 7-meter-long sculpture is constructed from almost 1 million Black Lego bricks. It's a breathtaking vision of a futuristic African metropolis, inspired by the rich history and mythology of the Nile River Valley. The use of Black Lego bricks is deliberate, representing the strength, resilience, and enduring legacy of Black civilizations. The Nile 3025C made its Netherlands debut at the Wereldmuseum Amsterdam, opening on October 31, 2025. This exhibition marked a significant moment for Nimako, bringing his work to a wider European audience and sparking dialogue about representation and cultural narratives. The Wereldmuseum Amsterdam provided a fitting backdrop for Nimako's work, a space dedicated to exploring global cultures and fostering intercultural understanding. The exhibition provided visitors with a unique opportunity to engage with African history and futurism through the accessible and engaging medium of Lego. Nimako isn't alone in using Lego to explore themes of race, identity, and history. Adam Ward is another recognized Black Lego artist who is using the medium to tell powerful stories and challenge stereotypes. These artists are part of a growing movement that is using Lego to promote diversity and inclusion. Lego itself has recognized the importance of representation, launching an official Celebrate Black Creators initiative. This initiative aims to highlight the work of Black Lego artists and designers, and to create more opportunities for Black creators within the Lego community. While the use of Lego to explore African history is largely positive, it's not without its complexities. There are important questions to consider about who gets to tell these stories and how they are being told. Are the narratives being presented accurate and nuanced, or are they perpetuating existing stereotypes? It's crucial to engage with these Lego Masterbuilds critically, considering the historical context and the perspectives of the artists and communities involved. The act of recreating historical events and civilizations using Lego bricks inherently involves interpretation and selection. What aspects of history are being emphasized, and what are being left out? Who is making those choices, and what biases or perspectives might they be bringing to the table? These are important questions to consider when engaging with any form of historical representation, including Lego Masterbuilds. There may be controversies around the way certain historical events are portrayed. There may be concerns about cultural appropriation or the simplification of complex historical narratives. Open and honest dialogue about these issues is essential to ensure that Lego Masterbuilds are used responsibly and ethically. What suppressed histories are being brought to light, and what stories are still waiting to be told? Lego Masterbuilds have the potential to challenge dominant narratives and amplify marginalized voices. However, it requires a conscious effort to seek out and represent diverse perspectives. As Lego continues to evolve as a medium for artistic expression and cultural exploration, it's important to consider the future of Lego cities and their relationship to African history. What new stories will be told, and how will these stories be shaped by the artists, the communities, and the historical context? Will we see more collaborations between Lego artists and historians, resulting in even more accurate and nuanced representations of African history. Will Lego become an even more powerful tool for education and cultural understanding? The possibilities are endless. Lego bricks offer a unique and engaging way to connect with the past, to celebrate the present, and to imagine the future. As we continue to explore the world of Lego City Masterbuilds, let's remember the power of these tiny bricks to build bridges, to spark conversations, and to create a more inclusive and equitable world. The beauty of Lego lies in its accessibility, its ability to transcend language and cultural barriers, and its potential to inspire creativity and imagination in people of all ages. By using Lego to explore African history, we can make the past more engaging and relevant to a wider audience. This is more than just playing with toys, it's about building a better future, brick by brick. So, what do you think? Can Lego bricks truly unlock forgotten stories and reshape our understanding of African history?